DHY House, an architectural masterpiece that is not only visually stunning but also highly adaptive to Vietnam's tropical climate. Designed by AHL Architects and located in Thái Nguyên, Vietnam, this house perfectly blends traditional values with modern innovation to create a comfortable, efficient, and functional living space. DHY House was completed in 2022, covering a total area of 300 square meters. It was designed by a renowned fashion designer for her mother, making it more than just a house, it's a heartfelt tribute to family. The design philosophy revolves around adapting to Vietnam's tropical climate. In the past, before air conditioning or electric fans were available, local traditions used natural elements to keep homes cool. Features such as wind direction, deep verandas, latticework, thick walls, shade trees, and water surfaces were essential. DHY House revitalizes these timeless techniques in a modern and efficient way. A defining feature of this house is the buffer zone or transitional space. One of the most iconic buffer zones in Vietnamese homes is the porch, a space that bridges the indoors and outdoors. It's not just functional but deeply cultural, serving as a space for social gatherings, relaxation, and connection with neighbors. In DHY House, the buffer zone is expressed through a multifunctional porch, serving as a family gathering area, recreational space, and a connection to the outdoors. A large concrete wall, this not only provides visual and acoustic separation between the public area, a small café, and the private home but also helps create shade and protects the interior from direct sunlight. Unique sloped roof design. With varying elevations, the roof adjusts to the sun's direction and wind flow to maximize comfort. One of the house's standout features is its ability to remain cool without the need for air conditioning. Thanks to its 4 open sides and setbacks from the property lines, natural cross-ventilation is maximized. Key features contributing to its sustainability include shade trees and small courtyards, naturally lower the surrounding temperature. Ceiling fans, complement natural airflow for even the hottest days. Large openings on 4 sides allow for optimal airflow and natural lighting, significantly reducing energy consumption. Let's dive into the structure and materials. The standout feature of the house is the large concrete wall, measuring 12 by 12 by 7 meters. This wall is more than a visual statement, it serves several purposes. Acts as a visual and acoustic barrier between the public and private spaces. Provides protection from heat and rain, ensuring interior comfort. The sloped roof, which drops to just 2 meters in some areas, creates ample shade throughout the day. Locally sourced materials like wood, ceramics, and exposed concrete give the home a simple yet elegant aesthetic that blends seamlessly with the surrounding environment. The interior design prioritizes comfort and functionality. Every space is thoughtfully interconnected to create harmony between public and private areas. Open living room, connected directly to the porch and garden, offering a spacious feel that blends with nature. Kitchen and dining area, the heart of the home, filled with natural light and designed for family activities. Bedrooms, feature large openings that welcome the morning breeze and evening air. DHY House is more than just a residence, it's an architectural embodiment of how local traditions and modern innovations can harmoniously coexist. With features like buffer zones, natural ventilation, and eco-friendly materials, this house offers a blueprint for sustainable and comfortable living. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this inspiring, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next design inspiration video.